Hello everybody, this is Pinaki Kathiari, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about um, some of the basic steps after installing Resource Hero, including adding a resource and setting up the roles. So once you install, if you go to this All Tabs view, you'll see there's a few Resource Hero objects that have been installed. One of the first things I do is customize my tabs and make sure I get the Resources tab uh, onto my main navigation here because you'll be accessing that often. So from the Resources tab, you'll see that there's no resources in the system. So we could just go ahead easily create a new resource. There's a few fields that are mandatory. So resource name, let's add Olivia White, uh, and we'll set some minimum and maximum hours for Olivia. So 35 hours is going to be her minimum weekly hours, and 40 hours is going to be her maximum hours. This could be anything for your organization. At this stage, you can set other things here like team. She's on the design team, and you can set up a minimum maximum rate. Her minimum rate is going to be 100, and her target rate is going to be 150. Again, this could be all set up to your business, and you could use it or not. So you hit save, then we'll have Olivia's page is now created. And so this is her resources page. You'll see that there are a few objects. There's the time tracking matrix, there's the actual matrix, and then there's a forecast matrix. Now I just want to put it out there that you can totally customize this page. So in you could decide which fields you want to have shown and which of these matrices you want to actually display. And so I'll show you how to do that really quickly. So we could go into the edit layout right there. And if just another way to get to this screen is to go into your setup. You go into your create objects, and then we go into the resources object. And then we'll see here we have our page layouts, and you can click on edit. And this will bring you to the page editor in Salesforce, and say we just want, we want to have the time tracking matrix. We don't want to have the actuals matrix, so we can remove this section. We could hit this remove button, and that's pretty much how it works. Once I hit save, uh, when I go back to the resources page and go to Olivia, we won't see the actuals matrix here. And just another point to note that this is totally customizable. You can also add additional fields and other information regarding Olivia. You can move this stuff around, and you could also set security permissions so when Olivia logs in, she won't be able to see uh, certain information. This is going to be covered in another post, so be on the lookout for that, and you'll find that in the advanced customization area at resourceheroapp.com support. So next, let's talk about how should we configure our roles. And the roles come into play when you're assigning resources to a specific opportunity or object. So we're going to go into setup, and the roles are configured within one of the Resource Hero objects, which is the resource assignment object. So let's click on the resource assignment object, and then you'll see within the custom fields and relationship, there will be role. So let's go ahead and click on role. So when you get to the roles page right here, this is at the bottom, you'll see the pick list values. Here are all the default um, roles that come with Resource Hero. You could delete all of these and you could reorder them, and you could easily add new ones by just clicking the new button, contractor, save, and then now we'll see contractors now on this list, and that'll be available whenever choosing roles in the system. Yep, so that's how you add resources, do a little customization to the resources page, and customize your roles for Resource Hero. Thank you. If you run into any problems, have any questions, either contact us, visit us at resourceheroapp.com support, and yeah, good luck and hope everything goes well. Thank you.